Hey guys, we're back. We're doing another ice fidget spinner. Come on guys. We're doing another ice fidget spinner. We use the Mountain Dew.
Hey, Superstar back.
Come on, I'm gonna get these. Agarra la cosa que da vueltas. Ya está. You see it? It's right there. Oh. Got it. Color didn't change. So here's the Mountain Dew.
We should get a napkin and
So we're getting a napkin right now.
And we're gonna pop it out.
Mountain Dew and Miss Twist. Yeah, Miss.
It smells good. Let's smell it.
¿Qué le pasó a las servilletas?
We're gonna have to pop them out later. Nice. Hey guys, Superstar back. And I'm the Superstar of her and Superstar of her.
So I got the napkin. Now let's pop it right up.
Yeah.
So here it is, and let's pop it right out.
Yeah. I hope it doesn't.
It didn't broke.
It didn't broke. It didn't broke.
So here's the fidget cube. It didn't broke at all. Johnny, stop. ¿Qué? Johnny quiere tocar el este. Now we're getting a knife to cut it.
Yes. Okay, I feel
Johnny, because he's probably going to touch it.
I didn't.
Okay, so here's the knife. Gonna cut it, and then we're gonna kill it. Yeah. Just kidding.
Yeah.
You always have to try our ice fidget spinner.
Oh.
So now let's get a piece.
Tastes good.
And the good thing is, for the little ones, if they don't like the gas from the sodas, this is made with soda. It does not have gas at all.
Yeah, I like this. If you want your kids to drink soda,
Yeah.
like this. That's gas.
This is pretty cool. So
Yeah.
cutting that one in little pieces. Perfection of cutting. Ah! Stop.
Want some, guys? Okay.
I'm
Other
really
fans, you guys can get one. Put it in cameras so they can eat it.
These are so good.
Yeah.
The rest, I'm eating the rest.
You guys can eat this. I'm just kidding. Oh, jeez, it's twice.
So that's all.
Yep.
Now we're making a new fidget spinner.
Okay.
So here we got the knife to kill you.
You know your juice that you got? I was about to say, why don't we make one with pizza?
Yeah. We got Sprite. Wait, I don't like Sprite. So this time we're doing the Minute Maid
Watermelon. This is watermelon.
Watermelon flavored. So juice. This is juice. What we're using is shut up, Johnny. What we're using is juice. Johnny, stop. What we're using is the juice this time. It's not going to be the thing you expected. Okay, now I'm filling it up with my bottle because that's pure a bad idea. So here it is. Bottle. we go. So now I need to lick the edges.
How does it taste?
Good. Now we should
Put it in the oven.
fridge.
I'm just kidding. In the fridge.
It's not that bit stripped. So now I'm filling myself up with this juice again because I love it and I'm obsessed with this juice.
I'm upset with the I Just Want to Rollie song.
Really obsessed.
Rolex.
So here's my juice.
But
Cheers, guys. You could get this at Walmart, any kind of store. You could buy this at Walmart.
you're gonna break
Miren,
it.
amigas, compré una servilleta de rollo en la Walmart. ¿A poco yo ando así?
No, yo les digo que si quieren tomar esto, pueden comprarlo en la Walmart.
¿Cómo se va a acercar?
Más rociado.
No, siempre no es rostizar, yo ni. No es una tontería, ¿no?
Bueno, si quieren comprarlo.
Sí,
Sí,
ya
como
sabes.
si lo-
Mira, yo ya voy a agarrar la pizza.
¿Qué?
Trae chocolates y comida, ¿no, verdad? Sí, ya no trae.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
This is our new favorite juice.
Punch me.
¿Qué iba a hacer?
Hacer sopa.
No sé, iba a hacer.
Here's a napkin. Now we're leaving, guys. Coke smash. Bye, guys.